Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can crochet a sweet, simple little flower and then turn it into greeting cards. Or you can also make it into a bookmark. So let's get started. To make this flower, I'm going to use a 4.5mm crochet hook and some lightweight yarn. This is probably fingering yarn. You could use any size yarn you like. I'm just going to start with a slip knot, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join, and that forms a ring. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the ring. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the ring. Now repeat to make 6 loops in the ring. Like that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can make as many loops as you like. Fasten off. Tie these yarn ends together on the back in a square knot and trim off the ends. And there's the flower. So then I took a sheet of cardstock and I folded it like this, and then I folded it the other way like that, and then I got 2 cards. So I'm going to place my little flower here. And I'm just going to take some school glue, place a little bit on the back of the flower. I'm going to place my little flower down. I have a black ballpoint pen, and I'm just going to draw a little stem and some leaves. Like that. And then I just printed off a sheet. You could use these cards for any sentiments. You could say thank you, happy birthday, get well soon, best wishes. And I'm just going to tear that off and place it across here. Like that. And then I can just glue that on. And you'll have a simple greeting card that you can give to a friend. To make a bookmark, just start with a piece of cardstock and glue on the back. And then again, just draw a little wavy line and some leaves like that. And you can leave them plain like that, or you can glue a little button in the center like that. To make an easy envelope, I have a sheet of printer paper. Fold this over, and I'm going to fold this over. Place it so that there's a little bit of edge here. Now you're just going to fold this over like that, and then bring this top part down and fold it down like that. Now you can remove the card, open this up, trim this side down a little bit like that. And this is the flap, so it doesn't need this extra, so you can just trim that away. So that's what it will look like. Now you can fold this up like this. Apply some glue here on these 2 flaps, and then fold it up, and then glue that up like that, and there you'll have an envelope, and your card will fit right in there. And if you like, you can just round off the tops of the flap, and there's your envelope for your card. And there you go. That's how you can make an easy crochet little greeting card and envelope and a bookmark. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.